Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this double exposure effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First you need to select the area you want to apply the effect on, like I've already done, and then make a new layer. Apply black color on the new layer. After that, apply a clipping mask and you change the blending option to hue. Then merge both layers and create a copy. Now I've already selected the area I want to apply the effect on. So drag and place the image in its place. Then change the image blending option to lighten. As you can see, it gives this sort of effect. And also apply a clipping mask so it only applies to the previous layer. Then create a gradient mask and apply the gradient tool. This gives this fade like effect to the image. Reduce the opacity and change the blending option of the top layer to multiply. Again, adjust the opacity. Create a copy and again adjust the opacity and change the blending option and make it a clipping mask. So I hope you can see this, but that's the end of the video. If you like this, please subscribe.